channel, and a lot of you have been requesting that I do my videos using my phone instead of my laptop, so I'm gonna do that. So here we have V10 1S in the hour 1 time frame. This is the analysis of a trade I recently took, and I gave the signal in my WhatsApp group, and the link is in the description if you are interested. So I noticed here, let me mark out everything. Here there was a break of structure. Let me use the other lines. These ones, yes. Yes. Here there was a break of structure right here. Then there was another one right here. Okay. Right. Then there was a change of character. Right here. Right. And then this is the order block. Because the change of character, right? It's this one. Mark it out. This is the order block. Like, but now this order block is not valid. Why? This order block, this type of order block, which is not respected or is called an inducement or a trap, a smart money trap, where the big boys make a fake order block and use it as inducement or to grab the liquidity of people like you, right? So let me mark out, this was a consolidation, right? Which there were a few stop losses which were eaten up, but they used this order block, this one right here, this one, to grab most of your people's liquidity, because if you closely look, there's not much liquidity to grab in this area. This was a clean move and there was no liquidity here, so that order block was the only liquidity, right? I hope you understand that, guys. If you don't understand, please leave a comment and I'll explain everything, right? So this order block was our inducement right here. We delete this one, right? And then price stepped into this order block, this on top right here. This was the order block where price stepped into. I'm sorry, delete. Now this was the order block the price stepped into, and then started going down, right? Now this is actually a trade that I entered myself, and it may take profit as expected. Now let's talk about the entry. Go to your minute 5, right? In the M5, you see this was my zone. I marked out my zone incorrectly, but this was the moment, this one, right, where there was a change of character right there, and then the order block that caused it was this one. This one right here. So to get the perfect sniper entry, you need to put your entry a bit below the order block and your stop loss a bit above, so that, like in this case, you can clearly see that the market did not touch the order block, but it touched near it and then went back down. So you need to put your entry a bit below the order block and a bit above, right? So that's how I entered the sniper, and then price came down free falling and it hit my take profit. Now let me show you how and why I put my take profit where I put it there. You can go back in the hour 1 time frame. You can see that there's an order block right here. Right. That's why I put my take profit. Why? Because if I zoom in the hour 4 time frame, this is suggesting that market is in an uptrend. So you were trading a reversal. So I had to put my take profit on an order block because price was supposed to bounce on that order block and continue going up exactly like it did right here. Right. So that's how I took trade. And then the method of going to the lower time frame, that's what you should use if you're trading a small account or if you want to avoid many losses, right? Or if you want to avoid floating losses, that's how you trade your SMC on small accounts. So that's it for this video, guys. If you didn't understand, you can comment down. I'll reply. I'll read all the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.